Do you want to share your phone's battery power with other devices? In this video, we'll show you how to use Wireless PowerShare on your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Let's get started. Unlock your Galaxy S23 Ultra and swipe down from the top of the screen to access the notification panel. Swipe left to access the second page of the notification panel. Tap on the Wireless PowerShare icon to turn on the feature. Alternatively, you can enable it by going to Settings, and then Battery and Device Care. On the next screen, tap Battery, and then scroll down a bit and tap Wireless Power Sharing. You can then tap on the switch to turn it on. Wireless PowerShare works with most Qi-compatible devices, including Samsung wearables and other smartphones. Keep in mind that your Galaxy S23 Ultra must have at least 30% battery to share power, and charging speed may vary depending on the device being charged. And that's it. You've successfully used Wireless PowerShare on your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.